हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वुमेनोवेटर। हमारा आज का टॉपिक इज न्यूट्रिशन ड्यूरिंग कोविड एंड पोस्ट कोविड। माय नेम इज मुस्कान भाटिया and I'll be the moderator of today's session. And we have dietitian Nidhi Nigam with us, who is a clinical nutritionist and has been practicing over 8 years. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Good. Hi, Muskan. Pleasure to be here with you. I'm really looking forward to this session. I hope I'll be able to create some value with you guys.
Sure, ma'am, definitely. So, ma'am, my first question to you would be that during this COVID, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं and work pressure भी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. हम लोग अपनी gyms, exercises ये सब भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो what should be our approach towards nutrition during this time? हमें कैसे अपने न्यूट्रिशन पे और अपने अराउंड लोगों के न्यूट्रिशन पे ध्यान देना चाहिए और क्या क्या अपनी डाइट में इनकलकेट करना चाहिए?
Thank you for that question, Muskan. So I think हम लोगों ने न्यूट्रिशन और इम्यूनिटी के बारे में इससे ज्यादा पहले कभी नहीं बात की होगी. For the last 15 months, immunity, nutrition, health has been the buzzword, right? And it's extremely important that we understand the importance. So obviously there is lockdown across the nation. We don't have access to gym or going down for a walk and stuff. One is that, and second, of course, the kind of pandemic that we're dealing with. It is extremely important that our nutrition quotient is on the top. We need to be on the top of it to be able to, one, ward off this infection in the first place, or if we do contract this infection, then it is our nutrition which will be able to help us to sail through this, smoothly. So that's the importance of nutrition. Now, how should you make sure that you're getting all the nutrition? As you understand, nutrition is carbohydrate, protein, fat, and vitamins and minerals, right? So all 5 of them are extremely important. Now, if you go back to social media and if you see there has been a lot of buzz around these immunity kadas and superfoods and immunity booster foods. Honestly, you don't need to overdo any of that, but making sure that you eat a well-balanced diet. You don't eat junk food. You don't do any fat diets. This is not the time to, let's say, losing weight, or this is not the time to follow any fat diets, crash diets, liquid diet, detox diet, or any of that sort. So you need to make sure, if we were to talk in Indian context, you need to make sure that you're looking at your thali system. So in a thali, there's always either roti or rice, which is your carbohydrate. Then there is either dal, or there's rajma, or there's chana, or if you're non-vegetarian, then there's some sort of meat or eggs. So that's your protein. Then you need to have a big bowl of vegetable, because that's the source of your vitamins and minerals, which is what gives you your antioxidants, phytochemicals, and all of that. So vegetables, and then salad. So that's how your meal ideally should be looking at. Also, gut health is extremely important, right? So you need to have fermented foods, like dahi is the best thing to have. उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं इडली, डोसा, घर के बने हुए अचार, kimchi, kombucha. So when you do all this, when you do a balanced diet, your nutrition is taken care of. Okay? So you need to make sure that you're eating home cooked meals. If you're busy, look at something like a one pot meal. Our best traditional meal is khichdi. So basically what you're doing is, in ghee you put zira, you put rai, you put haldi, mirch, you put your dal, chawal, sabzi, and just 2 whistles and your meal is ready, and have it with dahi. So you've got your, look at 5 fingers of nutrition. So you've got your vitamins, minerals, carbs, protein, and fat, everything in one pot if you're having a khichdi. All right, now coming to the immunity booster food, which is the buzzword. People talk about turmeric, people talk about pepper, people talk about cinnamon, zira, nutmeg, clove, everything which, we call as khada masalas, or, superfoods now people call it as. If you overdo of these kadas, which people did in the last time around, you will have issues, because all these foods have heating properties. We say iski taasir garam hai. So वो जब गर्म तासीर का आप बार बार पीते जाओगे, आप उसको 4 कप को उबाल के 2 कप कर लोगे, देन ऑब्वियसली इट्स लाइक अ डिकॉक्शन. सो जब आप उसको दिन में 5 बार पियोगे, आपको हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हो जाएगा, आपको एक्ने ब्रेकआउट्स होने लगेंगे, आपको हीट बॉयल्स होने लगेंगे. So you don't really need those kadas as long as you're putting haldi in your tadka, as long as you're using black pepper in your sabzis. You know, if you're using garlic and all of that, you don't need any of that. But still, if you wish to, then half a cup once a day is more than enough. So that's what you need to do. But you need to make sure that you're eating all seasonal fruits and vegetables and all seasonal pulses and grains. So आज आपने आटे की रोटी खाई, कल आप पिट्ठू की रोटी खा सकते हैं, परसों बेसन की खा सकते हैं. तो वैरायटी. Okay, and make sure that there is protein in each of your meal, because that's very important. Protein is needed for antibodies, your cells, your body repair. So protein is extremely important. So make sure that there's protein in all your meals. Yeah, I hope that answers your questions, Muskan.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Ma'am, as you were talking about that हमें excess of चीजें नहीं लेनी है, like हम लोग काढ़ा overdo कर देते हैं and everything which we used to do. But what is that one thing which is absolutely important to build our immunity? Like one thing you would recommend कि ये तो करो ही करो, इससे आपकी immunity definitely build up होगी.
Balance and moderation.
Okay.
सी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आज आप रात को लो इम्यूनिटी से सोए और आपने कल वो सुपर फूड खा लिया और आप एकदम आपकी इम्यूनिटी टॉप पे होगी. दैट्स अ मिथ, राइट? सो इम्यूनिटी इज नीदर डिस्ट्रॉयड ओवरनाइट नॉर इज इट बिल्ड ओवरनाइट. सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यूर ईटिंग बैलेंस्ड मील and you're eating traditional spices that we used to. So see, हम लोग क्यों बोलते हैं टर्मरिक खाओ. So लोग सुन रहे हैं और कोई टर्मरिक शॉट्स ले रहा है, कोई उसका काढ़ा बना रहा है. So turmeric is antiviral, antibacterial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, right? And most of our these spices have those kind of properties in them. So अगर आप उसको अपने खाने में डाल रहे हो is a good way to build immunity. Now something that everyone should do, if you were to really ask me for that one thing, I would say milk with haldi, black pepper and thoda sa nutmeg powder, which is also called jaifal. Okay, now what it does is it works on your healing, it works as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and the fat in milk makes sure that haldi does its function. Right? And nutmeg has multiple other benefits. So right now people are stressed, there's fear, there's anxiety, there's grief. लोगों को नींद नहीं आ रही है ठीक से, right? लोग बहुत stressed हैं. So when you add that nutmeg to your milk, people sleep. You know, they sleep very well. So just before bedtime, if you have this milk, you sleep well, your immunity is better. Also, to be able to build your immunity, there are 4 or 5 things, not one thing. So your nutrition being the most important thing, hydration extremely important. So एक जो hydrated body होती है is much more sufficient or efficient rather to ward off disease or to handle diseases rather than a dehydrated body. कोई भी जो वायरस होगा वो हाइड्रेटेड बॉडी में इतनी जल्दी रेप्लिकेट नहीं कर पाएगा जितनी की जल्दी वो डिहाइड्रेटेड बॉडी में कर पाएगा. So hydration is extremely important. And sleep is very important. People tend to overlook it क्योंकि work from home है, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम काम कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद Netflix and Amazon Prime and all of that. What they don't understand is that sleeping is the only time when your body can heal itself, when your body can repair itself. So अगर आपकी sleep quality sleep नहीं है, अगर आपकी sleep 7 से 8 घंटे के लिए नहीं है, आपकी body repair नहीं कर पाएगी, and thereby you are more vulnerable to infection. So then it is nutrition, it is hydration, it is sleep, and it is stress. You have to make sure that you do something about your stress. You either meditate or you practice deep breathing, whatever, so that you're calm, your system is calm, and a calm system is able to digest, absorb, and assimilate the food better. And last is exercise. While we understand कि gym बंद है, हम नीचे नहीं जा सकते, whatever, but at least for 20 to 30 minutes आप जो भी घर में कर सकते हैं, right? On spot jogging, on spot walking, yoga, some kind of Pilates, whatever you can do at home. There are multiple YouTube videos available which you can just play in your house and just do it. So these 5 things, if you are able to do regularly, you will have a very strong immunity. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि एक ऐसा कोई सुपर फूड है, आप उसको खा लो और आपकी इम्यूनिटी हो जाएगी, that isn't.
Yes, ma'am, Sure, because
Yeah.
अगर हम बात करें तो र्यूमर्स यही है कि आप ये वाली आयुर्वेदिक टैबलेट खा लो या विटामिन सी ले लो या मल्टीविटामिन ले लो, यू डोंट नीड टू डू अदर थिंग्स, बट डेफिनेटली इट वाज वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव। मैम नेक्स्ट इज कि अभी तो फिर भी सिचुएशन इज गेटिंग क्वाइट बेटर, बट इफ देयर इज अ टाइम कि आपको कोविड हो गया है एंड यू हैव माइल्ड सिम्टम्स एंड देन यू डू नॉट हैव एन एक्सेस टू एन हॉस्पिटल, so what is that you can sit at home and do? What are the foods that you need, you can inculcate, or what are the things that you can do at home itself?
Okay, so first of all, it's a process. Okay, so if you have symptoms, whether your report has come or not, you need to isolate yourself, and then you need to make sure that you're hydrated well, you're eating well, because if it is COVID, you're going to get a lot of fatigue, and different people have different manifestation. किसी को डायरिया हो जाता है, किसी को बॉडी एक हो जाता है, किसी को बैक एक हो जाता है, किसी की आंखों में दर्द होने लगता है, किसी को फीवर हो जाता है, right? So you need to make sure that you're prepared. So that is why we talk about eating balanced diet. So your food has to be in place. Again, like how I spoke about the thali system, you have to make sure that you're eating that way. Also, you need to make sure that you're eating about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee through the day. Ghee is very, very important when it comes to healing and immunity. So, चाहे आप अपने फुलके पे घी लगा लीजिए, चाहे आप अपने दाल में घी डाल लीजिए, चाहे आप अपने चावल के ऊपर घी डाल लीजिए, but you make sure that you're eating 1 teaspoon of ghee in each meal. Not only that, but you need to also apply ghee in your navel button, in your fingernails, in your toenails, and in your upper palate. Okay. Now this will make sure that your body is internally hydrated and the viral load is less and the replication is not so fast. Okay. Now that is number 2. Number 3, you need to get fig, अंजीर, फिग एंड ब्लैक रेजिन. आप उसको पानी में भिगो दीजिए, सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले आपको पानी पीजिए और उसके 10-15 मिनट बाद वो फिग्स एंड अंजीर खा लीजिए. दैट गिव्स यू क्विक एनर्जी बूस्ट, दैट गिव्स यू आयरन, विटामिन, मिनरल, एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड. ठीक है. You need to add some dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, soak them and have them because you need energy. You're going to be extremely tired if it is COVID. So you need to make sure that you're eating energy giving food as well. So have some dry fruits. Avoid tea and coffee as much as you can. It's going to drain you out. It's going to dehydrate your body. Instead, what you can have is nariyal pani, buttermilk, which is also called chach, soups, vegetable juices, juicy fruits like watermelon, kiwi, orange, जो भी seasonal fruit है, right? So have those fruits. Make sure that you're eating time to time so that there's always energy coming. Yeah. सोने से पहले take little ghee and apply it on your foot soles. So that also will induce good sleep. If you follow these things, you will have energy. You will not feel too sick. And you'll be able to sail through this infection easily. And of course, the doctor is going to put you on medication. Zinc and vitamin C, like you said, people say ki wo le lo. They are important. Vitamin C for immunity, and zinc because it kind of inhibits the fast replication.
So ma'am, one more question. As it is in the news ki jo third wave hai, that is quite inevitable and it is dangerous for kids. So what is that we can do about it, like as parents,
Okay.
as elders?
Right. So Muskan, that's a great question because this news is everywhere ki third wave is inevitable and it will affect kids more than adults. So one is that, like we spoke about the immunity, we need to make sure that we work on their immunity. Second, it's important that we keep educating them. The education towards wearing a mask, education towards washing their hands, educating them towards eating healthy food, also making sure that we get them into a practice of practicing some sort of exercise, and thereby their lung performance is much better. See, what is happening is that all of us are stuck at home, right? पहले क्या होता था कि बच्चे नीचे जाके खेल रहे हैं या स्कूल जा रहे हैं, and all of that. There's some kind of physical activity that they would do. But now, because of lockdown, all of them are at home and they're glued to either their phones or their tabs or TV, right? So they're always lying down. So you need to make sure that they do some sort of exercise. Again, when you're working out, try and involve your children. Also educate them how nutrition and immunity is very important. एक होता है कि हम बच्चे को बोले जा रहे हैं खाना है, तुम्हें ये खाना खाना ही है, right? So the child will make faces and crib and cry and somehow eat because he has no other option. But if you really educate your child, I'm giving you this food so that it helps you like this. So the child eats with a positive mindset, and thereby the digestion, absorption, and assimilation is much, much better. And you need to make sure आप उनको 2 serving of green leafy vegetables daily. That is non-negotiable. Only in a situation where you are not getting green leafy vegetables because of lockdown is a different thing. But if you have access to 2 servings of green leafy vegetables, make sure that you give them at least 5 to 6 colors throughout the day. So I always tell people that this is the time to eat rainbow, especially your kids. So each fruit, let's say mango, because it is yellow in the orange family, it has a different kind of nutrition. Lychee is red, has a different kind of function. Let's say green vegetable or salad or orange. So each fruit, each color has a different pigment and thereby different kind of antioxidant, phytochemicals, vitamins and minerals. So make sure that you're giving them at least 4 to 6 colors in their food. And like I said, protein. बच्चों के लिए protein और भी important है because right now there's no physical activity. So you can't keep giving them carb-rich food or junk food. You have to make sure that you're giving them good quality of protein. So I am getting a lot of clients who are children because कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ टीवी देख रहे हैं या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं, इधर चिप्स का पैकेट रखा है, इधर कुकीज रखे हैं, अपना खा रहे हैं, कुछ बेवरेजेस पी रहे हैं, and they're putting on weight, right? And thereby also bringing down the immunity. So you need to make sure that you're giving them nutritious food, you're educating them. So always remember 3 spoons of ghee, 2 green leafy vegetables, and 4 to 6 colors throughout the day with good protein. So milk and milk products, soy and soy products. If you're a non-vegetarian, then chicken and eggs. If not, then rajma, dal, paneer, chole, chana, all of that. That will make sure that your kids are strong and that their immunity is strong and that they're able to stay protected.
Thank you so much. The session was very informative and thank you for being on Wominovator. I learned myself a lot. Yeah. So guys, please, if you see this, please share. This is very important for all of us during this uncertain times, and stay tuned for such other sessions on Wominovator. Thank you.